my MF rest day today, bitches. Today is another day, rest day, bitches. I'm sorry you guys that I've been showing just this area, but today I want to show you how beautiful this Abu Dhabi. I mean, I cannot go far from where I'm staying at the moment, but I'm gonna take you somewhere nice today. Yes, because you've been requesting about this, I'm gonna show you around, guys. This is it. I kind of feel the vibe going out. So today we are going out and I'm taking you to the nearest beach where I'm staying at the moment. So we are going to Corniche Beach this afternoon and watch the sunset. Are you up for it? And guys, this is your request. I'm gonna show you around today. Hi guys, so today, katulad nga ng pinangako ko sa inyo kanina, we are going out for a change. At may kasama ako. Hello. Si Jen. Mission failed, guys. It's not open. How come? I think this is a mission failed. I just wanna show you something. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga circle na yan? Dahil nga yung mga tao dito mahilig mag-picnic, for the sake of social distancing, nilagay nila yung mga circle na yan. Diyan kayo, grupo-grupo kayo dyan. Kakaroon kami ng konting pag-asa. Mukhang pwede pumasok. Meron lang, baka may bayad. Kasi dati wala tong bayad eh. Okay, so nagkaroon na kami ng pag-asa. Look guys, it's so beautiful! So, mag-entrance kami. Mamaya may bayad na. May entrance pa. So init. No. Baka. Yung tao. Walang tao. Walang tao. Sana pala nagdala tayong pang-swimming, no? Kaya nga. Next time. At least now we know. Ano masasabi mo, Jen? It's beautiful. Wow. mag-entrance pa lang. Safety first. Okay, so, guys, dahil kuripot kami, and this is a private area, we didn't pay 10 dirham and 50 pills. And the guard told us that there's an area, the public beach, where we can walk around without paying. So, we're going that way. Huh? We're going back. Okay, malapit nang bumaba ang araw. Nawawalan na ako ng pag-asang makakuha ng time-lapse. Walang masyadong Pilipino naglalakad sa ganito kainit na panahon dahil, you know, rejuvenating. So, we're looking for the public beach dahil ayaw namin magbayad ng 10 dirham and 50 pills. So, gusto sana namin mag-scooter kaso sayang din yung ibabayad namin dyan. Magta-try na naman kami ng panibagong entrance. Alright guys, so masyado akong maaga nag-time-lapse. Matagal pa lulubog yung araw. Tapos, wala kaming dalang pagkain. Nga kami ngayon. At wala kaming magawa. Kasi
hindi rin nagdala ng damit.
Hindi rin kami nagdala ng damit, so hindi ka makapag-swimming. Maybe magkakaroon tayo ng part 2. So part 1 lang muna to. So, go back to the time-lapse. So, mission accomplished. Pero next time, we're going to do a part 2. Gabi na sa Abu Dhabi.
Thank you for watching this video, guys, and if you haven't done it yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so you are updated to our next videos. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, yes it's true, and the Starving Monkey PH. Also like us on Facebook page, yes it's true, and Starving Monkey PH. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye.